Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today market update for June 16, 2020. You can see that on the left side here that the daily chart of SBY. You can see that the market it hit to the top, they pull back down and then they go right into the support and then they run it back up over here and when the market open and they try a lot of people they try to jump in because they think that will go higher, try to fill up the gap. Institution they play the trick, they slam it down, try to fill up the gap in the bottom before they can stabilize. So you can see here, look at on the right side here that the 60-minute jack for the ES June contract after the run up and then they slam it down. So where they're going to go to early in the morning when the market open, a lot of people jump in and then they think that the market to continue to go higher and then it's not. They turn around. A lot of people go long, put a stop loss. They come back. They take all them out very quickly, very fast. But where they go to stop, they stop right at the support. It's wanted you to be resistance, support, and now become a support. So when they hold the support, and then they bouncing back up, and then they keep going sideways in this triangle. So tomorrow we will see where the market is try to heading to. Okay, so if you are at a look at a big picture, so the market is slam it down, but they hold it up. You see the buyer still coming in. So right now they try to close it above the price right here. So what they're going to tell you, probably they will hang around here and try to go back up and test the area right here before they can tell a clear direction where they're going to be able to break it, go higher, or they go sideways for a while before they can break out. So the bull is still there. You can see here when it drop, the buyer is still coming in. It means that the trend is still up. Okay, so we will see what happens for the market tonight and tomorrow. And if you are a day trader, you can see that the market is right here. They hit to the minor resistance, and then they didn't get to the top, and then they slam it back down right into the support and resistance right here. They hold up and push it back up. And if you are a day trader, you can see that the market very tricky in the morning. Uh, where the market open and then the people selling right here, but a lot of people they don't know, they jump in and then they think the market will go back up, they jump right in and then they roll over after they break the low here. Now they make a low here and then that's the trend changing. So they drop below the moving average and then boom, they come right back down to the support here and then they turn around, the buyer step back in, they put it back up right into the resistance. And then if you are a day trader like me, I jump in, I short right here, and then recover right here, and turn around, shoot it back up right into resistance, and then you're done for the day. So the total net profit for today is $5,460. It's not bad on a volatile day. So and after that, the market it tried to come back, retest the sales on here. They couldn't go through it. You see it. They attempted one, two, three, four times. They couldn't do it. So they slam it back down again, but they're not going lower because now it's a lot of support over here. So they hold it up, so they go sideways until the end of the day. So this is what I have for you today. And then if you look at, oh, I forgot one thing here. If you look at a lot of stock on the airline, you can see that a lot of stock in the airline we have been mentioned over the weekend. You see that all of them gap up, they hit to the resistance. So many people, so many resistance in this level. You see, like American Airlines, they go up, they gap up, and then they try to come back and fill up the gap. It's exactly like what the SB 500 doing. You can see here a bunch of airline stock. They Delta Airline, it's very similar. They go up and they come back, they fill it, but the trend is still up. And UAL, another one, it's very similar and bow in. You can see here the same thing. They go up and then they pull back, and then they still found a support right there. So let's see tomorrow. Even though they gap up, they pull back down, but the trend is still up. So let's see tomorrow when the market open. We can see it. They keep go up, gap down. Like the market going here, gap up, and gap down, So that's what the market have been doing, because they try to find a clear direction where the market is supposed to heading to. So all the stock they will do a very similar. And in our live trading room every day, we're looking for some stock that be able to break out. So a couple of them we see today. So in our live trading room, so my job is try to help a lot of members to figure out where the market heading to. So we have one good potential here. They come up, pull back down, and then they jump back up. And the next one here, okay, you see here. So that's why this one here, they have to run up, they pull back to the support, and then they try to find a way to get up. All right, so that's all I have for you today. So thank you very much for watching, and then we'll see you in the next video.